Welcome to today's class. Yeah, if you're just joining today, relax, let's solve mathematics together. All right, hit the follow button if you're yet to follow, or subscribe button. All right guys, we're looking at quadratic equation. Okay, so we're asked to solve 8x squared plus 6x minus 5 equal to 0 using quadratic formula. Now whenever you see an equation like this having a square, when the variable is having a square, you should just know that it is a quadratic equation. All right, so and when you have a quadratic equation, there are three ways of solving. You have the quadratic formula, completing the square, and you have factorization method. So in this case, they said using quadratic formula, so you must use what you are asked to use. And what does for quadratic formula state? It states that when you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? It states that x, to find x, you use the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So from this equation now, what is a? So let's quickly bring out a. What is a? A is what? 8. B is what? 6. And c is what? Minus 5. So we are going to use this to solve this. So we impute all this formula into this formula. So I have minus, what is, so minus b is what? I have minus 6 plus or minus square root of, what is b? 6 square minus what? 4 times, what is a? A is 8 times, what is c? Minus 5 all over 2 times, what is a? A is 8. So this is what I'll keep doing. So I have minus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 square is 36 minus, okay, 6 square is 36, isn't it? So I have minus 4 times minus 5 will give me what? Plus 20. Plus 20 times 8 will give me what? 160. Divided by 2 times 8 is 16. So my x equal to minus 6 plus or minus 36 plus 160 will give me what? 196, all divided by 16. So let's continue from here. 1 divided by 16. So I have x equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root. Okay, so let's take the square root at this point. What is the square root of 196? It is what? 14. Because 14 times 14 will give you 196. So divided by 16. So I have x equal to minus 6. Okay, so at this point, it means that this implies that x equal to minus 6 plus 14 over 16, or x equal to minus 6 minus 14 divided by 16. I hope you get, because we have, so can you see plus or minus? So we have separated the two. These are the two possible what? Solutions of x. So I have x equal to minus 6 plus 14 is the same thing as 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 will give me what? 14 minus 6 is 8, okay, over 16. Or minus 16 minus 6 minus 14 will give me what? X equal to minus 20 over 16. So I'm going to keep dividing. So I have 2 here, 1, 8 here, 1, 8 into 16, I have 2. So, or x equal to, let's divide, 2 into 20 will give me 10, minus 10 over 8. Okay, 2 into this will give me what? Minus 5, minus what? 4. So I'm having minus 5 over 4, which is the same thing as minus 1 whole number 1 over 4. Therefore, this implies that my x equal to 1 over 2 or minus 1 over 4. So these are the two possible solutions of what? X. So thank you. Like, follow, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Bye for now.